The Waccamaw River is way up. Normally you could sit here and fish, and it is covered. The water is almost inside the gazebo. That bench is covered. And it's flowing really, really quick. People are trying to kayak out there, and they're having to go against the current to kayak. But yeah, it is up there. It is pretty though, with the crepe myrtles and the moss on the oak trees, and you can see people out there just past where that couple is standing, and they're in the kayaks out there. But yeah, the water is moving. Moving at a good clip. Snakes and bugs and gators. No thanks. It's a great day to come here in your car though and sit and have lunch with this beautiful water view. Waccamaw River in Conway, South Carolina.